How to see unsent photos on Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to see unsent photos on Messenger. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device. Once opened, tap on the three lines you see on the top left of your screen and further tap on the Settings button. Now, scroll down until you see the option for Photos and Media and tap on that. Now, under Camera, go ahead and toggle on the button for Save Photos and Videos. Enabling this toggle button will automatically save photos and videos you take or edit to your device after you send them or receive them. So, as of now, all the pictures sent to you from now on will be saved automatically to your device. However, the previously unsent photos will not be recovered by this process. So this is how you can see unsent photos on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.